Taking a look at Capstone SR CounterTrend Gold. It's a strategy that shorts rallies on downtrends in gold and buys dips on uptrends in gold. And we looked at that yesterday. We had a short trade. We had another short trade today. And here it is in NinjaTrader. Take a look at the results. It's a selective trading system. It uses support and resistance lines. And I want to take a look at the performance summary for this strategy historically. Gold begins trading electronically intraday on 12/5/2006. And so we're going to take a look at the results from that point forward. And I like to look at it in terms of currency. So let's select the currency. There's 226 trades. They're almost 70% profitable. Average trade profit is 182.21. There is the total net profit. The long trades and short trades have a very good balance of total net profit, even though there is more trades on the long side than there are on the short side. And taking a look at the graphs, and you see here's the graph. You see some choppiness out here at the very beginning, and a lot of times when markets begin trading electronically, they're choppy, they aren't very liquid. And so we're going to take a look at the data going back and see when the good data is, when the good data starts, and then adjust our test. So we scroll back, everything looks pretty good, and then we go back to the very beginning and you see all this choppiness. And these aren't we don't want to test strategies on this data. We either need to figure out what's wrong with our data, or say that we just have bad data and we're not going to test data. We're not going to test the data on that. So we're going to go forward and take a look at when the data is first starts to become good data, and you see choppiness, and then the data becomes good in this time frame right here. In March the 28th, 2008, I've gone ahead and looked forward, and that's when it starts. So we'll adjust the data series, right click on the chart, select data series, and we'll update this 28/2008, and then we'll apply that, and then we'll look at the updated back test and I'll start the video again here. So the new data is loaded. We're going to right click on the chart, select strategy performance, and then historical. And you see it's about the same, not much difference. Again, we select currency. I like the fact that it has a small drawdown. It's very selective, 208 trades. Your average trade profit is now about $10 higher. We get rid of a lot of the choppy trades and the choppy data. Almost exactly the same profit in between the long and the short trades, although there are still more long trades, and that means your average trade profit is higher on the short trades. Like I said, low drawdown. And taking a look at the chart, nice equity curve. And so one of the things that we can look at in the future is to how we can get more trades out of this. It's still a good strategy, and one I like to have. It's in the 100K portfolio, and that is SR CounterTrend for NinjaTrader. Let me know if you have any questions or if you want to subscribe.